Friends, if you have an S13 Snap TV stick, then you absolutely can't miss this video. In this video, I'll show you how to upgrade the firmware of this TV stick. First, go to the official website, boxput.com, find download at the bottom, and on the page you need to download 2 files. Follow my steps. 1, download the Rock Chip upgrade tool. 2, download the S13 Snap firmware. Remember to download the img.zip file. After downloading the files, unzip them. Then open the Upgrade Tools executable program. After opening, click on Firmware and find the unzipped img file. Wait for the loading to complete, then connect the S13 Snap to your computer. Once successfully recognized, the upgrade will begin. After the upgrade is successful, reconnect to your TV, go to Settings, and find About to see the current firmware version of your TV stick. This is the firmware upgrade process for the S13 Snap. If you have purchased any product from Boxput and have any questions, we will help you solve them.